Hey guys, the first thing you want to do after you pick out where you want to go, you and your family pick out where you want to go on your vacation, is to look up, on the computer, Google the best place to stay and everything like that. Check out your rates and stuff for the hotel. And so I've done all that. So now I've come to the part where I printed out all my paperwork. And this first page here is just some things that I jotted down, and not some things, these are very, very detailed, so I'm covering some stuff. There's some pertinent information on here. So I went ahead and wrote down everything me and the reservationist talked about on the phone when I was making the reservations at the hotel, or rather at the resort, because we went through Westgate reservations. So I wrote everything down, even though I know everything was going to be printed out. There were some things I asked in addition to what was not going to, or what was going to be printed out. So everything is on my paper right here. The second page you see is the Myrtle Beach must-dos, and that's where I looked up online different videos, YouTube videos, or different information on Google or whatever, where people said they had the best time and things that were just a must-do in Myrtle Beach. So I wrote all that down, and after that, I printed out everything, my confirmation, um, registration card, and everything. So that is printed out. So I'll have that with me when we go to check in. And I pre-registered, so I have that paper too. So when we check in, when we check in the hotel, everything will be real easy because I pre-registered. Over here, where this green paper is, there's some stuff covering up that information. But I made a list out of things to pack, things that I still had to get from the store last minute, and also on the back of that paper are things to do before we leave. So get everything written out, and that way you'll be very organized when it's time to get ready for your trip. Also, guys, we're a member of AAA, so I went ahead and ordered triptychs and booklets on, because we stopped in Charlotte, North Carolina too before we went to Myrtle Beach. So it gives you the triptych on how to get there, construction and all that good stuff. Even though I know if you Google it or Google Map it or whatever, you still get that information. But I like hard copies. I still like to do this old-fashioned thing. So anyway, we have tour books of South Carolina and Myrtle Beach and different things like that. He's even said he would put like some coupon booklets in if he could. And this is a book on Charlotte. So we're going to know what we're going to do when we get to Charlotte and Myrtle Beach. So guys, we'll be gone for 5 days and 4 nights total. So what I'm going to do is pick out all the clothes that I want to take, depending on the things that I have planned for us to do. So I'm going to take, since we're going 5 days, I'm going to take 5 outfits, of course, but then I'm going to go ahead and take 2 extra outfits, just in case, one gets messed up or, something spills on it and, all that jazz. So you always want to have 2 extra outfits. All right, guys, and after you make your list out and everything of the things that you're going to take, your specific outfits, after you've thought them out, go ahead and get them out after you've gotten them clean and, all washed and dried. Get them together and then start ironing your clothes for your vacation and setting them aside. And after I got everything ironed, I'm going to go ahead and put my clothes, swimsuit, pajamas, everything that's on my list that I know I need. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my suitcase. All right, guys, and normally I would not suggest this, but since it's summertime, I am taking all these sandals. Usually I say just take 2 to 3 pair of shoes tops, but these sandals are so slim, they just fit anywhere, basically in my big old bag that I have. We're all packing separately, so these will fit in my bag. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pair of sandals, and I'm going to put them in bags, of course, so that they do not get my clean clothes dirty. And I've seen this. You all, please, please, please wrap your shoes in something when you pack them. I've seen people throw their shoes just in their suitcase with their clean clothes. Oh my goodness, that's nasty. So put them in something before you pack them away. I have one bigger pair of shoes, my gym shoes, so I'm going to put those in the trunk. Probably not in my bag. They're going to be just, in a separate bag in the trunk of the car because they probably won't be able to fit in my suitcase. So, also, you guys, there is more that I'm going to be taking than this, the little accessories and things, but this is all going to fit in my little like overnight bag. So I have a suitcase, actually it's a big duffel bag, and it's not huge, so everything is going to fit in the trunk of the car. But anyway, I have my suitcase basically, or duffel bag, and then I have an overnight case that fits all my toiletries and things like that. So these are the basics. And some of you are probably saying, Tracie, why are you going over packing? But you guys, I have, well, most of my demographic of the people that watch me, I have all different ages, but the bulk is between 18 and 34. So that's some young people, and not everybody, you all, knows how to pack when they go away. So, and I could not tell you all the comments that I get in my, under certain videos that saying, thank you, I didn't know how to do this. Or, some people just hadn't learned how to do certain things when they were at home. Mom didn't teach them or whatever. So here, this tip is for those people. So if you already know it, maybe skip ahead a minute. But anyway, these are just the basics, and I'll probably be putting a few more things in. Just hadn't got to it yet. But you want to take lotion, and you don't see it here, but I have a bottle that I'm going to put my lotion mixture in, and I'll put regular lotion, my Bath and Body Works lotion, and Vaseline, and I mix it up basically almost equal parts. Well, less Vaseline than anything, but I mix it all up, and I just have a good old, ooh, good smelling, good lotion. It's very moisturizing and everything. So anyway, I have to get that ready. But anyway, so your lotion, sunscreen because it is summertime, and we're going away to a beach, and I'm going to be in the sun. So you want to get your sunscreen. I have off bug spray. This is a little mini first aid kit. And this has a few more things than what came in it, you all. Let me open this up. I have, right here in this tissue, I have wrapped some, what do you call it, cotton swabs. And then I have Alka-Seltzer. I have sanitizers here, or rather not the sanitizer, the cleansing wipes, Band-Aids. So I have that. And then over here, I have, you all mothers, you have to have like a little rolling mini hospital. I have all kinds of Band-Aids, different sizes. I have gauze. I have, for deeper wounds or whatever. And I have first aid antibiotic. Let's see, I have ibuprofen. And if your kids need their inhaler and all that, make sure you get that. And what else? EpiPens, whatever your family needs. I have safety pins just in case. I have toothbrush holder for myself. This is all my stuff. So toothbrush holder, and plus, of course, Mom always packs for the family. So some things is just for me and them. They're packing for themselves. Okay, now I know this is basically all ladies watching, but if your children, like your daughters or if you're going away and you don't know if it's quite that time. Some people know exactly when they're coming on, some people don't. But ladies, always take some sanitary napkins or whatever you use, tampons or whatever, so that when you get there, you don't have to find a Walmart and all this type of stuff. So take some things with you. I don't need that. I just needed, to put it on here for the video. But I have my stun gun. We're traveling far away. So I have my stun gun, my, what do you call this? That spray. It slips my mind, but y'all know what that is. So I always want to travel with some protection. This holds a bar of soap, so I'm going to put some soap in there. I have toothpaste, sanitizer, deodorant. I have two kinds of deodorant because, sometimes I do aluminum free, sometimes I do the regular. I already put this in there. That's that ointment. This is my hairbrush toothbrush. Then my brush to smooth my hair up. I have my gel, my edge tamer, bobby pins. This is for in the car or hotel or whatever, because I'll still be checking on my YouTube comments and different things like that, or commenting on other people's videos, listening to other people's videos, like when we're in the car and we're not talking or whatever. So I have my earbuds. And let's see, eyebrow tamer there. Have my eye pencil sharpeners, my makeup. I don't have all of it out. You know, I don't have my eyeshadow, my blush out and stuff. I don't do foundation and powders and stuff, so I don't have just a whole bunch of makeup to take. So, let's see, my nail polish, because I've already got my nails done. I do my own nails. So, if I need a touch up, I have my stuff with me. Nail polish. Well, this is the base. This is the nail polish, and this is the top coat and the Insta Dry, and it works very well. I have the travel size or the purse size tissues. Jewelry. You want to keep it simple if you can. If you have a lot of room, take as much as you want. But I usually do silver and gold, depending on what outfit I have. I'll do silver or I'll do gold. So I have bracelets, necklace, rings, watches. Did I say earrings? Earrings too. I still have to put some more earrings out. Mints, gums, emery boards, a fan in case I get somewhere. And some of this stuff is going in my purse and some of it's just going in my overnight bag. I have ink pens. I have more sanitizer. One's going in my bag and this other one's going in my other bag. One's in my purse. I'm sorry, one in my other bag. Y'all, I don't know if y'all saw one of my purse videos, but I take masks everywhere. You never know when an emergency comes up. I'll just like to be prepared. I know some people might think it's outrageous, but if a situation occurs where somebody throws some tear gas or, you know, whatever, or if you're in a situation where some hazardous, you know, whatever, and you get caught out with your family, you have a face mask. So I have those in a sandwich bag. These are my little head wraps for the pool because I like to look fancy. These are wet ones, and they're actually the antibacterial kind. So I wipe off the doorknobs and different things like that, kind of wipe down stuff in the hotel room when we get there, because as you all probably know, they are not the cleanest. Some people don't know that hotels are not always as clean as they look. So I wipe down different things we'll be touching, you know, all that stuff. Okay, and if your babies are real little and they sit on the toilet, if they can't squat and stuff, you want to clean that toilet as best you can, because like I said, they don't always clean good. And I just got a little comb and brush, and that'll be for like my protective styles. I have a rain scarf. I know you all saying, what? But I used this the last time I went out of town because it was raining. We were in the store. It started pouring down. And I had this in my purse. All right. Protected my hair and mints. And I'm going to put more lotion in here. I have some, this is for like my protective styling wigs and stuff. If I wear one when I'm gone, I might just put my hair up. I'm not sure, but anyway, that's the conditioner for that. And so that is it. That's going in my bag. Like I said, I might put some more stuff in there, but that's the basics, y'all. Oh, and I left this out, but this little bag here has a brush in it, lip gloss, some of those teeth flossers. You know, you go out to a restaurant, you get something stuck in your teeth. Got the little flossers in there. Got some Carmex. I bought it and I don't like it. I don't like medicated stuff, lip balm or whatever. So anyway, I have, I think that's eyeliner or a lip liner. I think that's eyeliner. But so and this is an oil, like an Egyptian musk oil or something like that. But so when I'm out and about, I have that in my purse. Also, guys, if you all wear glasses, take your eyeglass case. That way, if you are going to an amusement park or whatever, you get on a ride, you can have something to stick your glasses in. They won't get messed up or squished. Take your contact lenses. Take a portable charger. That way, if you lose charge, you can just charge your phone up. I'm taping, the trip for YouTube. So I have the selfie stick and also my tripod. And also my phone charger. You can't see it right now, but I'm taking my phone charger. Also, guys, remember to take, whether it's grocery bags or if you have real laundry bags, to take with you. Make sure you take laundry bags to put your dirty clothes in so that you don't put your loose, dirty clothes in your suitcase on the way home. And you guys, for my jewelry and small items, I use snack size Ziploc bags. That way I can separate the silver and the gold and different things. If I have bigger things, then I put them in the bigger bags. So you guys, this is our snack bag. It's insulated. My sister gave this to us as a Christmas gift. These are grapes, bananas, Grippo potato chips, barbecue, famous for our area, pretzels, some kind of little Parmesan, something or another mix, cookies, Twizzlers, Raisinets, Goobers, oranges, just a lot of stuff here, water. Also in this cooler we have water and lemon water. So we'll be good to go.